Man, what is up, guys? Only the greatest Chris here. Today I'll be showing you how to change your solenoid on your GMCs and Trailblazers. So what you do is you get a ratchet, whatever it's called, and you get a pole. You go exactly down here, and there's little holes in the tensioner. Whatever is that? So you put that on. You get your long pole. You gotta get the belt off. So once you do that, the belt will come loose. You don't have to take it all the way off. You should take it off enough and just hang it up here a little bit. So if you just hang it up here, it'll be fine. Hold on. Just hang it on that. You could just leave it like that. You should leave it like that. Just leave it like that in there. Matter of fact, probably can't. So this should be able to spin now. So you can get the little bolt set inside there. So I'm gonna do that real quick and show you. All right, now since there's not 2 bolts in here, there's 3 of them. So there's 2 up top and 1 down there in the middle hole. But yeah, so you get them 2 out and then leave the bottom one in so it doesn't fall out and you have a hard time trying to put it back up. Just unloosen it just a little bit so it can move out the way. So once you move it out the way, you should have enough room to slide this out. Let's get you to work. And to see what size that is. Okay. Let's see what size this is real quick. Might be a 10. No. Yep. Alright, let's get this going. Got the 10. I don't know if it's a 10 or not. I'm just trying to do my... Just unplug this. Oh, freak. Broke the wire. Unplug that. Wire's seen better days. Seen better days. Oh, it's just spinning. That is crazy. That is crazy. So, turn it to the side. Extension would be way better, but gotta work with what you got. But yeah, it's size 10. Let me see if I got a bigger size 10. This bolt is tight, so you need to use a breaker bar or some type of bar that you can put on this tool. But it might take a long time ratcheting this stuff off. Bro, that freaking power steering fluid smell like fish. Like, it'd have been so easy if this AC line was never here. But this is how GM builds their cars. Trucks, I mean. Let me see if I got in the hand tighten it with this tool. Can I? I don't think I can. All right, so once you get the bolt out from that area right there, where's it at? Hold on. So once you get the bolt out from there, you can twist it so it can unlock and pull. You might have a hard time hitting it against this, but once you get it out, it's good. So let's get it out right now. Yes. Gonna do it one hand. I don't think so. I think I can. Oh, I think it's oil finna come out. Freak. Hold on, guys. We'll unloosen the bolt just a little bit more. I think it's 11. Yeah, 11. that. Can't find it. Let's go like that real quick. Don't want to break it. Oh, let me try to find it. Alright, basically you have to take out 3 bolts to get the power steering pump to come off. Then you should be able to pull it out. And this is, it's a little dirty. I'm gonna check it out. Match both of the parts out. Before I put this in. Just lay this here. I need to hurry up. I got oil leaking. Pretty much the same part. It's got more holes for oil flow, I think. I'm gonna get some of the oil from off of here and put it on there. So go ahead and put your part back in. Don't scratch anything, just put it back in slowly. There's oil inside there too, so take your time. Push it on in, make sure it clicks. I think I have a new bolt, so you have to use the same bolt, which is, hold up. The bolt was a 10mm bolt. I'm gonna get the 10mm back in. Might be able to use a socket this time. So I get this like this. Go ahead and hand tighten it first. Start by getting the bolt in. Put the power steering pump back in. If you don't cross thread it, I think it's an aluminum block. Take your time. Make sure it's tight. It might be a torque segment to it, but I don't know, so just gonna do the best I can. If it leaks, I tighten it up a little bit more. Let's get it a little bit more snug. Go on, come up here, so it can't move because it's on. I'm cool, bro. Slide that in there. Wire's a little messed up. I have to redo the wires later on. Make sure it clicks in. If it don't click, it's not gonna work. Clicked in. Let me give it another turn with the crowbar. Not the crowbar, with the freaking I'm talking about. Off. Give me a second. Give it another turn. This. Just like that. That's pretty much all I need. That's it. So far as I want to go with it. This don't supposed to spin around either. That one was broke. Surprised it came out though. I don't think I even recorded that. I didn't. But yeah, just like that. Then after that, went the oil change. So it was in there, put the belt back on.